How to delete Gmail account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Gmail account. Now to delete your Gmail account is quite simple and easy. Simply open up Gmail app, you'll get an interface like this. Now make sure you are on the account that you wanna delete your account off. Now simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen here. If you are signed into multiple accounts, make sure you are on the account that you wanna delete. I'll just head into the second or the third one here, bpinbusiness65@gmail.com. All you have to do is simply tap on it and you'll be headed to that account. Once here, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon again at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on manage your Google account option there. Simply tap on manage your Google account and it'll take you to this page here. You can see new page loading up. Once here, what you want to do is head into data and privacy option there. Simply tap on data and privacy option. What you want to do is scroll all the way down below and you'll find the option delete Google account. Now here, once you scroll all the way down below, you can see delete your Google account, delete your entire account and data. Simply tap on it here and it'll ask you for password, and once you type in the password and continue the process, and you'll be able to delete your Gmail account. So this way you can delete your Gmail account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.